Router lights might seem like mysterious blinking signals, but they actually communicate important information about your internet connection. Understanding what these lights mean can help you quickly identify and solve network problems without calling technical support. Most routers have a power light that indicates whether the device is receiving electricity. A solid green or blue power light typically means your router is powered on and functioning normally. If this light is off, your router isn't receiving power, which could be due to a disconnected power cable or a power outage. The Internet or WAN light shows the status of your connection to your internet service provider. A solid light here means you have a stable connection to the internet. If this light is blinking, your router is attempting to establish a connection. No light at all suggests there's no signal coming from your modem or ISP. Wi-Fi lights indicate whether your wireless network is broadcasting. Some routers have separate lights for different frequency bands, typically 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. A solid light means the wireless network is active and ready for devices to connect. Flickering lights are normal here, as they often indicate data transmission. LAN or Ethernet lights correspond to physical connections to your router. Most routers have numbered lights matching their Ethernet ports. An illuminated LAN light means a device is connected to that port. Blinking indicates active data transfer between the router and the connected device. Some routers feature a WPS light, which stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. This light activates when you're using the WPS feature to connect new devices to your network without entering a password. It typically blinks during the connection process and turns solid or off when complete. If you notice unusual patterns like all lights blinking simultaneously or rapid flashing, your router might be experiencing firmware issues or overheating. In these cases, a simple restart by unplugging the router for 30 seconds and plugging it back in often resolves the problem. When troubleshooting connection issues, router lights are your first diagnostic tool. No internet light but a solid power light? Check your modem or call your ISP. Wi-Fi light off but internet light on? Your wireless radio might be disabled. Understanding these signals helps you pinpoint exactly where the problem lies. Different router brands use slightly different light systems. Consulting your specific router's manual or the manufacturer's website can provide the exact meaning of light patterns for your model. Many manufacturers also offer mobile SAPs that provide more detailed information about your router's status. Router lights serve as a simple visual interface that communicates complex information about your network's status. By learning to read these signals, you can become more self-sufficient in managing your home network and resolving connection problems when they arise.